finishing touches here with a little extra blood to kind of give it a little more fresh
That
coat.
looks so real. I have an ouch here. Benji just gave me an ouch that does not hurt. This is one of the things that you'll be doing in our new special effects makeup workshop 101, and we're so proud to be partnering with the Engineer Guide to bring this workshop to our roster of workshops that we have at Tammy'Dele Films. Benji, I'm excited because not only will students learn the basics of production, how things work, how to, everybody wants to know how you do your resume, how you find a job in this particular field, along with who's on set, the hierarchy and everything like that. But they're going to be learning things like this that you guys are going to teach them.
Yeah, you'll learn, how anatomy and how things work and where you should put things as far as a wound. We're going to talk about how to think about where something would be, a scar or a cut, and how it would look. We're going to learn how to do quick build-ups on set instead of having to have a prosthetic. If you don't have something and somebody says, oh, we need a cut here, you'll learn how to make it right out of your kit.
Yeah.
Or how to use a pre-made prosthetic and what that would be great for if you needed to use that as well. So
Yeah, so many exciting things, and you will get a kit in the class that you actually will use, and we'll be able to take that kit home once we're done with the workshop. So I'm excited. The Engineer Guide, you guys have been here for years serving the community, especially the production community. You guys do so much here, and we're just glad to have you a part of our community. What are some of the films or projects that you guys have been working on?
We've worked with Guardians of the Galaxy. We've worked with we're working with Infinity Wars, Stranger Things, Walking Dead. Walking Dead was probably one of our first big movie clients that we had here. Hunger Games. The name, it just keeps
Goes
going.
on and on and on and on. Yeah,
if
these
it's
guys,
something that's been filmed in Atlanta, we've probably touched it at some point.
so we're looking forward, again, with partnering with them with our Special Effects Makeup Workshop 101. The registration information is online. Thank you so much. Thank you, Benjamin.
Yeah, no, thank you.
Okay.